So many bitches on my dick, cause they see I'm up now. Some of my partners talking this shit, cause they see my bust down. I did not validate that shit, cause I pay the park now. Nah, I don't love you, you too fucking ugly. Yeah, right up past that bitch.
Hey bro, shout out to that nigga Ja the Ruler. Shout out to my nigga 2 Times. His song will be in the outro, so if y'all hear the outro, that's 2 Times. Both of them will be in the link in the description. Both of their SoundCloud links will be in the link in the description. Make sure y'all go check them niggas out. Alright bro, with this dread update bro, you know what I'm saying, I gave y'all a poll. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all make sure y'all follow me on all my social media. I forgot to do my intro. What's good up next, family? It's your boy up next. Now we gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, I'm trying to get ready like right now, bro, cause I got a long drive again, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't give y'all a video yesterday because I was just so busy yesterday, like no cap. Then I had to drive again, bro. I had a lot of stuff to do yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't need to know everything. As you see, bro, my dreads are getting longer. They're at a pretty good length. I feel like they at a pretty good length. I still would like them to be longer because they just like passing my eyes right now. They're at a pretty good length right now, you know what I'm saying? I don't really like, I know most people, they like keep up with their dreads. They like keep up with how fast, man, I just live life, bro. You know what I'm saying? I live life. And then sometimes, bro, look, let me tell you, bro, I be in nature. Most of the time I be in nature, you know what I'm saying? I like looking at nature. It be cold outside now, so I really don't go outside like that, like I used to when it was hot and stuff. But bro, I'm telling you, when I go up under a branch or something, bro, I'm telling you, bro, the branch will like bro, your hair will get caught up in the branch. That's all I'm trying to say, bro. You know what I'm saying? Your hair gonna be stuck like these. Nah, not for real. The dread update, bro, my hair has been growing steadily, you know what I'm saying? It's been going straight. I haven't used any products. Oh yeah, I got my hair retwisted when? Like a month ago. Almost like a month ago. Or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Then I had it in like a 4-strand twist. If you follow my Snapchat, then you would have saw it. But as y'all know, bro, I wasn't even active a month ago. I wasn't active 2 months ago. You know what I'm saying? I just really like took a huge break, you know what I'm saying, from the internet, period. You feel what I'm saying? So whenever let me go put on the shirt, bro. Let me go. I'm trying to get ready. I just put this shirt on for like the moment being, bro. I'm literally about to go again. After I get done editing this video and publishing it for y'all. If y'all see some sugar around my lips, bro, listen. If you don't know me, then bro, then you don't know. Bro, I fuck with the Sour Patch watermelon. Yo, look, that nigga, that's the key to a nigga heart, bro. All right, so if you approaching me, if you're a subscriber and you approaching me, you have some Sour Patch watermelon on standby. Because them bitches be busting, no cap. Alright, anyways, back to the video. So, like I was saying, bro, I haven't did anything but retwist my hair and put it in like a 4-strand twist. I kind of regret putting my hair in a 4-strand twist just because of the fact, like, when I untwisted it, like, you see how like some of my dress, like this one right here, it's bending. You know what I'm saying? I don't really mess with that. You know what I'm saying? Then like my hair is shorter. It's shorter than like the way I would like it to be, but it's shorter than how I like it to be, and it's just it pokes out. You know what I'm saying? So I really should have went with the regular retwist or something like that. But no cap. Next time I'm going with the regular retwist so all my dress can be down. I don't like my dress to be poking up, and if you're like under the 1-year stage, or even if you with the 1-year stage, bro, you see it right here. Like you with the 1-year stage, then you know like some of your dreads be poking up, some of them be poking up, some of them be going every which way. I don't like that. I don't personally like that. You know, that's not my forte, you know what I'm saying? So look, if y'all need any, oh yeah, and with the dread update, I also went through a hot oil treatment. Basically they just wash your hair and put oil in your hair and then put you up under the dryer, then dry out all your hair and stuff like that. I'm gonna have more dread videos for y'all soon, bro. Actually tomorrow I'm gonna upload another dread video for y'all, you know what I'm saying? And with the public interviews, I'm telling y'all this because look, this is my soul. This is my soul fan base. This is like my foundation. My foundation is the dreads, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be talking to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because the public interview people, I feel like they come just to see the public interviews and stuff like that. But the dread people, they come to see the dreads, they come to see the public interviews, and they actually like stay around and stuff like that. So y'all are my core fan base. So when I say y'all, that's who I'm talking to. Alright, I'm talking to the people with post notifications, and I'm talking to the people who actually hit the subscribe button, who actually support my videos. Alright, what I was about to say. Alright, so look, I'm gonna be doing public interviews each and every Monday. You know what I'm saying? So every Monday, expect a public interview. Actually, Monday or Tuesday. Either Monday or Tuesday. It depends on what time I get home, because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go shoot the video probably every Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Every Sunday. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be once a week. You feel me? So if y'all have any suggestions on any public interviews, any questions I should ask, make sure you comment down below. If y'all new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.
Bro, them niggas left me in the rain. Don't ever try to compare me, cause my nigga, we not the same. I know some secrets OG told me, I'ma take them to the grave. You never gotta worry about me phoning my nigga, I never change. I need more than drugs just to ease the pain.